Good day to everyone. I'm Jezreel ng Delector, taking the degree of Bachelor of Science Marine Engineering, Section 1C. I'm here to discuss the different types of the ships. It is important for us to learn the different types of ship to know their design and purposes. The first ship that we will discuss is container ship. And what is the container ship? As the name suggests, a vessel constructed specifically to hold large quantities of cargo, compacted in different types of containers, is referred to as a container vessel or ship. Marami tayo makikitang container ship sa iba't ibang bansa. Ang container ship ay naglalaman ng iba't ibang sukat ng container na kung saan sila ang nagdadala ng mga goods and needs ng tao, kagaya ng clothes, gadgets, at iba-iba pang klase na pangangailangan ng isang tao. There are different types of container ship based on their sizes, like Panamax, Post-Panamax, Suezmax, Post-Suezmax, and Post-Malacamax. I will explain at least two types of container ship, which is Panamax and Suezmax. The first is Suezmax. So, what is Suezmax? Suezmax are terms used for ships that are designed to travel through the Suez Canal. The second is Panamax. So, what is Panamax? Panamax are terms used for ships that are designed to travel through the Panama Canal. So, what are the difference between Suezmax and Panamax? Sila ay may pagkakaibang hugis ng barko, at si Suezmax ay pwede lamang dumaan sa Suez Canal at si Panamax ay pwede lamang dumaan sa Panama Canal, na kung saan bawal dumaan si Suezmax sa Panama Canal at si Panamax naman ay bawal dumaan sa Suez Canal dahil sila ay mayroong pagkakaibang sukat ng barko. The second ship is bulk carrier. So, what is bulk carrier? Bulk carrier is a type of ship which transport cargoes, generally dry cargo, in bulk quantities. The cargo transported in such ship is loose cargo without any specific packaging to it, and generally contains items like food grains, ores, and coals, and even cement. Itong bulk carrier na to ay naglalaman ng food grains, ores, coals, and cement na kung saan nakalagay sa isang malaking lagayan at hindi sa katulad ng container. There are different types of bulk carrier ship based on their sizes. The mini bulk carrier, small bulk carrier, the handy size carrier, Handymax carrier, Panamax carrier, Post-Panamax bulk carriers, at saka Cape size bulk carriers. I give this one type of bulk carrier ship, which is Cape size bulk carrier. So, what is Cape size bulk carrier? Cape size ships are the largest dry cargo ships. They are too large to transit the Suez Canal or Panama Canal. So, ibig sabihin, Cape size ships ay bawal dumaan sa Suez Canal o Panama Canal. Bawal siyang dumaan sa Suez at Panama Canal kasi sobrang laki ng barko. So, saan siya pwedeng dumaan? Siya ay pwedeng dumaan sa Cape of Good Hope and Cape Horn. Third that we will discuss is fishing vessel. So, what is fishing vessel or ship? Fishing vessel, ships or boats used for recreational or commercial fishing. At sea are called fishing vessel. From the word fishing, ito yung barko na ginagamit upang manghuli ng mga isda sa gitna ng dagat. There are different types of fishing vessel. The trawlers. Trawlers are one of the common forms of fishing vessels employed. As their name suggests, these vessels have trawler nets that are suspended by aiding equipment entrailed under the surface of the water at the required deepness to hold and trap the fishes. The next type is non-trawling. Non-trawling. These are highly effective fishing vessels with nets which cannot be pulled against the ocean water, but instead, fish swim to the net and get themselves caught. The nets can be a kilometer long. Meron ding iba't ibang klase ng non-trawling. The seiners, longliners, tuna clippers, gill netters, crabbers, drifters, and factory ship. Ang pinagkaiba ng trawlers at non-trawling ay yung non-trawling ay madali lang makakuha ng isda at nagagamitan ng iba't ibang uri ng panghuli ng iba't ibang isda. The fourth ship that we will discuss is offshore vessels. So what is offshore vessels? Offshore vessel mainly help in oil, exploration and construction jobs at sea. Offshore vessels are of several types. The anchor handling tug vessel, AHTV, seismic vessel, platform supply vessels, well intervention vessel, and accommodation ships. Ito ay yung trabaho ng pangangalugan at pagkukonstruksyon sa gitnaan ng dagat. The fifth ship is tanker ship. So what is tanker ship? Tanker ships are specialized vessels for carrying a large amount of liquid cargo. Tankers are further subdivided into different types of the basis of the cargo they carry. There are main types of tankers: the chemical and product carriers, the oil tankers, and the liquefied gas carriers. The chemical and product carriers. A chemical tanker is a type of tanker ship designed to transport chemicals and different liquid products in bulk. The oil tanker. Oil tankers mainly carry crude oil and its byproducts. The liquefied gas carriers. A gas carrier or gas tanker is a ship designed to transport LPG, LNG, or liquefied chemical gases in bulk. Merong tanker ship na liquefied gas carrier lang at merong LPG lang. There are different types of tanker ship based on their sizes. The VLCC, ULCC, Panamax, Alpharax, Suezmax, the Capesize, the Handymax, lighters, tsaka handy. Pinakamalaking tanker ship na nabanggit ko dito ay yung VLCC, Very Large Crude Oil Carrier, at yung sumunod na ULCC, Ultra Large Crude Oil Carrier. The sixth ship that we will discuss is roll-on and roll-off ship, o kung tawagin nating RORO. So what is roll-on and roll-off ship? Roll-on and roll-off ships are vessels that are used to carry wheeled cargo. So ang RORO ship ay nakadesenyo upang magdala ng iba't ibang uri ng sasakyan. There are two types of roll-on and roll-off ship, which is PCC and PCTC, kung tawagin na pure car carrier and pure car carrier and truck carrier. The name suggests pure car carrier, ito ay puro iba't ibang uri ng kotse lamang, samantalang yung pure car and truck carrier ay magkahalo. magkasama yung iba't ibang uri ng kotse at iba't ibang uri ng mga truck. Seventh ship that we will discuss is multi-purpose vessel or ship. So what is multi-purpose vessel? Multi-purpose vessel is a sea-going ship that is built for the carriage of a wide range of cargoes. Examples are wood, steel, building materials, rolls of paper, and bulk cargo. As the word multi, siyang barko na hindi lang basta-basta kasi ito ay malawak at kayang magkarga ng iba't ibang uri at klase ng materyales. Kagaya nga nasabi, katulad nga ng wood, steel, building materials, rolls of paper, and bulk of cargo. The eighth ship that we will discuss is reefer vessel. So what is reefer vessel? A reefer ship is a refrigerated cargo ship typically used to transport perishable commodities which require temperature controlled transportation such as fruit, meat, fish, vegetable, dairy products, and other items. So, ang reefer vessel ay dinisenyo upang magdala at magkarga ng iba't ibang frozen foods. Pagdating sa reefer vessel, kailangan agad na ma-deliver ito on port kasi there are food products na sensitive at pwedeng masira kaagad. The ninth ship that we will discuss is livestock carrier. So what is livestock carrier ship? This kind of boat is especially sensitive since it transports animals. Their special characteristic are feeding zones for the animals. There are even ships with open air corrals, although they are mainly enclosed. So ayun na nga, ang livestock carrier ship ay dinisenyo upang magkarga ng iba't ibang uri ng hayop. Ang barkong ito ay open air na kung saan nakakahinga ang mga hayop at malayang nakakaamoy ng sariwang hangin. The 10th ship that we will discuss is passenger ship. So what is passenger ship? Passenger ship is a merchant ship whose primary function is to carry passengers on the sea. We have different types of passenger ship. The ferry. So what is ferry? Marami tayo makikitang ganito dito sa Pilipinas, katulad na sa Batangas Port, sa Katiklan, sa Rojas, at mga port dito sa Pilipinas. Ito ay maliit na uri ng barko na naghahatid ng mga pasahero. So ferry are the boats or small size of ships which are vessels for day-to-day or overnight short sea trips moving passengers and vehicles. The next type is ocean liner. Ocean liner are traditional passenger ships, and ocean liner typical has 1,500 to 2,000 seats for passengers and has facilities of salons, swimming pools, and sport halls. Last type of passenger ship is trend and most beautiful ship, the cruise ship. And what is cruise ship? Cruise ship are large passenger ships offering pleasure trips adventure-seeking people. They have onboard facilities of restaurants, bars, casinos, theaters, ballrooms, discos, swimming pools, malls, and many more. So masasabi mo na rin dito na lahat ng pangangailangan mo sa city ay makikita mo dito sa cruise ship. Pansin natin, si ocean liner at cruise ship ay pareho lang naman ng facilities. Ang pinagkaiba lang dito, si ocean liner ay one trip at si cruise ship ay round trip. For example, ocean liner ay manggagaling sa Batangas Port at magtutungo sa Katiklan. So ayun lang yon, one trip lang yung nakadesenyo sa kanya. Pero may kapareho siyang pasilidad sa cruise ship. Sample kay cruise ship naman. Halimbawa, nasa Batangas Port ka. Pupunta ka ng Katiklan. Pero, ang balik mo sa Batangas Port pa rin. Kumbaga, round trip. So, dun lang nagkaiba si ocean liner at si cruise ship. Pero pareho pa rin sila ng pasilidad.